You spent 3 hours last Saturday scrubbing your bathroom, degreasing your stove, mopping the kitchen floor, and reorganizing the cabinet under the sink. By Wednesday, the grease was back on the stovetop. By Thursday, the bathroom mirror had spots. By Friday, the trash can smelled again. And next Saturday, you will do the exact same 3 hours all over again, because every cleaning product you bought was designed to treat the mess after it forms, not to prevent it from forming in the first place. In Japan, most families do not have a cleaning day. They do not spend weekends catching up on housework. Their homes stay clean, not because they scrub harder, but because they have 15 small habits that take 30 seconds each and stop dirt, grease, moisture, and odor and before any of it becomes a problem. No special products, no expensive equipment, just timing and placement. The global household cleaning products industry generates over $80 billion a year. Every dollar depends on one cycle. The mess appears. You buy a product to treat it. The product runs out. You buy it again. The average American household spends $600 per year on cleaning supplies. Sprays, wipes, degreasers, mold removers, toilet cleaners, air fresheners, floor solutions, and specialty products for surfaces that a damp cloth would handle if you used it at the right moment. Over a decade, that is $6,000 on chemicals you breathe in your own home to fight messes that 30 seconds of prevention and would have stopped from ever forming. A Japanese household using the 15 habits you are about to learn spends a fraction of that, because prevention does not require a branded bottle. It requires timing. The right 30 seconds at the right moment replaces the wrong $30 at the wrong end of the problem. And here's the detail no cleaning product company will ever say out loud. Most household messes are not caused by dirt entering the home. They are caused by moisture sitting too long, grease cooling too long, and surfaces staying wet overnight. Every one of those causes has a 30-second fix. But a 30-second fix does not generate a monthly repurchase. A spray can does. They did not suppress these methods because they failed. They simply never promoted them, because a family that prevents the mess from forming is a family that stops buying the product designed to clean it up. This is the story of 15 Japanese cleaning habits that replace an entire shelf of products with 30 seconds of timing. And the $0 system and $80 billion industry has no incentive to teach you. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are the best way to make sure this knowledge survives. And if you want the complete protocol with all 60 hacks that save households over $4,000 a year, the link is in the description. Now here are all 15. Each one takes less than a minute. Together they eliminate cleaning day permanently. 1. Wipe the stove while it is still warm. Most people finish cooking and walk away. By the time they come back, grease has cooled, hardened, and bonded to the surface. Now it takes a scraper, a degreaser, and 15 minutes of elbow work. Japanese families wipe the stovetop immediately, while it is still slightly warm. The grease is not hardened yet. A damp microfiber cloth is all you need. No chemical spray, no heavy scrubbing. 30 seconds after every meal. That one habit prevents the baked-on layers that eventually require the $8 can of oven degreaser you buy 3 times a year. 2. Squeegee the shower after every use. Every shower leaves thousands of water droplets on walls, glass, and tile. Leave them and they become mold, mildew, and mineral stains. The 3 problems that sell more bathroom cleaning products than anything else combined. A $2 rubber squeegee hanging inside the shower. 30 seconds after every use. Pulls the water off before it dries. The bathroom stays dry. Mold has nothing to grow on. Mineral deposits never form because the water never evaporates on the surface. You stop buying the $9 mold spray, the $7 limescale remover, and the $12 daily shower spray that you currently rotate through every month. The squeegee costs $2 and lasts for years. 3 products at $9 to $12 each, replaced by 1 tool at $2 once. 3. Paper towel under the oil bottle. Look under your cooking oil right now. There's a sticky ring of drips that has been building for weeks. Japanese kitchens place a folded paper towel under every bottle that drips. Oil, soy sauce, vinegar. When the towel gets dirty, replace it. 5 seconds. The shelf stays clean indefinitely. You stop scrubbing dried-on grease rings off your shelf every month. 4. Newspaper in the shoe cabinet. Shoes bring moisture into the house. Moisture trapped in a closed cabinet creates odor-causing bacteria. Japanese families place newspaper at the bottom of the shoe cabinet. The paper absorbs the humidity. Replace it weekly. The cabinet stays dry and odor-free without a single aerosol spray or scented insert. Free if you have newspaper. 0 maintenance beyond swapping the sheet. 5. Activated charcoal in closets and drawers. Small charcoal packs placed inside closets, drawers, and storage spaces absorb moisture and odor molecules, the same mechanism we covered in our zeolite video. Unlike air fresheners that spray synthetic fragrance over the smell, charcoal removes the molecules causing it. Clothes smell fresher. Shoes stay dry. Storage spaces feel clean. Place the packs in direct sunlight every few weeks to regenerate them. No electricity, no chemicals. The same pack works for months. A $3 bag of activated charcoal replaces every scented sachet and freshener plug-in in the closet. 6. Dried green tea leaves in the trash can. Even after you empty the trash, the smell stays, because food particles and moisture remain inside the bin breeding bacteria. Japanese households dry used green tea leaves and place them at the bottom of the trash can. The tea absorbs moisture and neutralizes the odor naturally. No artificial freshener. 1 cup of tea keeps the bin fresh for days. 0 cost because the leaves are going in the trash anyway. If you have made it this far, you already know more practical cleaning strategy than 99% of homeowners standing in the cleaning aisle buying their 5th spray bottle. Subscribe and share this with someone who spent last Saturday scrubbing a stove they could have wiped in 30 seconds on Tuesday. Now, what I just walked you through prevents the 6 most common cleaning problems before they form. But cleaning is one bill out of dozens that most households are overpaying every month. I put together a complete protocol covering 60 hacks just like this one, each one replacing an expensive product or service with something that costs almost nothing. Households running the full system are saving over $4,000 a year. The link is in the description. But stay right here, because the next 9 tricks are the ones that eliminate cleaning day entirely. 7. The lint roller at the front door. In Japan, a lint roller sits by the door, not in the laundry room. Before leaving and after returning, a quick roll around removes dust, pollen, pet hair, and lint from clothing before it enters the house. 3 seconds. The dust that would have spread across every surface in the living room stays on the roller instead. The house stays cleaner because the dirt never made it past the door. 8. Old toothbrush for tight spaces. The dirtiest spots in your home are the ones your sponge cannot reach. Faucet bases, sliding door tracks, sink edges, grout lines. Japanese families keep old toothbrushes instead of throwing them away. The small head and soft bristles clean gaps where dirt hides for months without anyone noticing. The best cleaning tool is one you already own and we're about to throw out. 9. Hang every cleaning tool, mops and brooms standing on the floor stay damp, develop mold, and smell. Japanese homes hang them on hooks or wall racks. Air circulates, they dry faster, they last longer. And dry mop cleans better than a damp one that has been sitting in a corner breeding bacteria. 10. Mini cleaning kits in every room. You notice a dirty mirror, but the spray bottle is in the kitchen. So you tell yourself later. Later never comes. Japanese homes keep a small cleaning kit in every room, a cloth and brush in the bathroom, a microfiber towel in the kitchen, a lint roller in the living room. When the tool is within arm's reach, cleaning takes 5 seconds and happens immediately. Remove the effort of finding the tool and you remove the reason to postpone. 11. Dry the sink before bed. 30 seconds. Every night. Wipe the kitchen sink completely dry before going to sleep. No water spots, no mineral buildup, no bacteria multiplying overnight in the standing moisture. The sink is clean and shining when you walk into the kitchen the next morning, before you've done anything. A dry sink makes the entire kitchen feel clean. This one habit changes how the room greets you every day. 12. Cross ventilation every morning. Open 2 windows on opposite sides of the house for 10 minutes each morning. The cross breeze pushes stale air out and pulls fresh air in. Moisture drops. Cooking odors vanish. Dust settles less because the air is moving. Mold and mildew lose their primary fuel. Trapped humidity. 10 minutes of fresh air does what a plug-in air freshener tries to do with synthetic chemicals and fails. This is the same night flush principle from our passive cooling videos, applied to air quality instead of temperature. 13. Clean while you wait. The kettle is boiling, the microwave is running, the washing machine is cycling. Most people reach for their phone. Japanese families reach for a cloth. Wipe the counter while the water heats. Clean the sink while the microwave runs. Organize a drawer while the laundry washes. Each task takes under a minute. By the end of the week, dozens of small chores are finished. No cleaning marathon, no exhausting Saturday morning, no guilt about the bathroom you have been avoiding for 2 weeks. 14. Keep the cleaning cloth cleaner than the house. A cloth full of grease, dust, and bacteria is not cleaning, and it is moving dirt from one surface to another. Japanese households wash their cloths after every use and let them dry completely before reusing. Some replace them regularly instead of waiting until they look worn. The rule is simple. The cloth should be cleaner than the surface it is wiping. Otherwise, you're making the problem worse with every pass. 15. Close the toilet lid before flushing. When a toilet flushes with the lid open, it releases thousands of microscopic droplets into the air, what scientists call a toilet plume. Those droplets land on the floor, the counter, the towels, and your toothbrush. Closing the lid takes 1 second. 1 second that keeps those droplets contained inside the bowl instead of settling on every surface in the bathroom. The cleanest bathroom is not the one you scrub the hardest. It is the one where you prevent contamination from spreading in the first place. The pattern. Look at all 15 together. Not one of them takes more than 60 seconds. Not one requires a special product. Not one costs money after the initial $2 squeegee and $3 bag of charcoal. The philosophy is not clean harder. It is clean smarter. Stop the grease before it hardens. Stop the moisture before it breeds mold. Stop the dirt at the door before it reaches the living room. Stop the odor at the source before you need a spray to mask it. Every culture that maintained clean living spaces before commercial cleaning products existed understood this. Your great-grandmother did not have a cabinet full of branded sprays. She had timing. She wiped the stove after cooking because the grease was still soft. She dried the sink before bed because she knew water sitting overnight created problems. She hung her tools because she knew a damp mop on the floor was a mop that would smell by Thursday. None of this was written in a manual. It was passed from a mother to daughter as common sense. Until the cleaning industry arrived in the 1950s and convinced an entire generation that every surface needed its own specialized product. The $80 billion cleaning products industry sells you reaction, a product for every mess after it forms. Japanese families practice prevention, a habit for every mess before it starts. One model requires a shelf full of bottles that run out on a schedule. The other requires 30 seconds of timing that costs nothing and never run out. The average American household spends $600 per year on cleaning products and 8 to 10 hours per month on cleaning. A household running these 15 habits spends under $30 per year in supplies and cleans in small bursts that they total less than 2 hours per month, because there is almost nothing to clean when you prevent the mess at the source. $600 a year and 10 hours a month, or $30 a year and 2 hours a month. Same house, same family, same dirt. The only difference is whether you fight it after it arrives or stop it at the door. $80 billion in annual cleaning product revenue depends on you never wiping the stove while it is still warm. $9 mold sprays depend on you never squeezing the shower for 30 seconds. And Cleaning Day Saturday depends on you never learning that 15 habits of 30 seconds each replace 3 hours of weekend scrubbing and a cabinet full of bottles that run out every month. This knowledge did not disappear because it failed. It was never promoted because prevention does not generate recurring revenue. A squeegee does not care about spray can pricing. A dry sink does not negotiate with cleaning product shelf space. And a toothbrush repurposed for faucet corners has never charged a licensing fee. If this video changed how you think about the 3 hours you spent cleaning last Saturday, the cabinet full of spray bottles under your sink, or the 30-second habits that would have prevented all of it, then subscribe and share it now. Every single share puts this knowledge in front of someone the cleaning industry assumed would keep scrubbing every weekend forever, and every subscription keeps this channel digging deeper into the secrets they thought were sealed forever. The full protocol with all 60 hacks is in the description. Everything the industry buried in one place.